Hello, this is the answer to the previous exercise given on Accounting 2 with a heading Ford's Trading Business Statement of Comprehensive Income as of December 31st, 2022. Given sales amounting to 1 million pesos. Then we have the sales returns amounting to 30,000 pesos. The sales discounts amounting to 10,000 pesos. Since the sales returns and sales discounts are contra revenues, we are going to add them and then subtract it from the sales, which is amounting to 1 million pesos. Now, 30,000 pesos plus 10,000 pesos is equal to 40,000 pesos. Now, we subtract it from the sales, 1 million pesos minus 40,000 pesos, we get the value for the net sales amounting to 960,000 pesos. Now here we have the cost of goods sold. There is the beginning inventory whose amount is never specified. And here we have the net cost of purchases amounting to 250,000 pesos. Then below, we have another account for purchases which is amounting to 100,000 pesos. Underneath the purchases, we have the purchase returns amounting to 20,000 pesos and the purchase discounts amounting to 10,000 pesos. Now, since these two accounts are called contra purchases, we are going to add 20,000 pesos and 10,000 pesos and then subtract the sum from the purchases. And so we have 30,000 pesos or 100,000 pesos rather minus 30,000 pesos, and we are able to get the value for the net purchases which is equivalent to 70,000 pesos. Now, here we have a new account which is the freight in, and we add this cost of freight in, this value of freight in with the 70,000 pesos, and we are able to get the value equivalent to 85,000 pesos. Now, to get the value for the cost of goods available for sale, we add 85,000 pesos to the net cost of purchases, which is 250,000 pesos. And so we are able to get the value for the cost of goods available for sale equivalent to 335,000 pesos. Now, here we have the value for ending inventory. And ending inventory is part of your profit. Now, to get the value for the gross profit, we subtract 335,000 from the net sales, which is 960,000. So 960,000 pesos minus 335,000 pesos plus the ending inventory amounting to 50,000 pesos, and the value of the gross profit is now equivalent to 675,000 pesos. Now we have accounts for expenses. Here we have the general and administrative expenses. For salaries expense, 20,000, rent expense, 15,000, depreciation expense, 10,000, utilities expense, 5,000, miscellaneous expense, 1,000, and we add all this value. And we're able to get a value amounting to 51,000 pesos. Now, another group of expenses is the selling expenses. Salaries expense, 10,000, rent expense, 8,000, depreciation expense, 7,000, utilities expense, 6,000, and we add all this value of selling expenses amounting to 31,000 pesos. Now, we add these two values of expenses, 51,000 plus 31,000, and the total expenses is now equal to 82,000 pesos. Now, the question is, how much is the company's net income? To find for the net income, for the value of the net income, we subtract 82,000 pesos from gross profit, which is equivalent to 675,000. And so 675,000 pesos minus 82,000 pesos, we get a value equivalent to 593,000 pesos. And so the net income is now equal to 593,000 pesos. Thank you.